Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit or modify a list box in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. And this is my list box and I will edit this list box. Now select form option, this menu bar, and this select field option and drag your mouse cursor, select your field. Now press right button for your mouse cursor and select properties dialog box. And properties dialog box, go general option. Here you can change your list box name and list box visibility. You can make it hidden and you can rotate it and so on. And this appearance option, you can change this text color here. See this text font size and this border color you can change, and this fill color also you can change here. You make it blue color, and this option here you can add new item to this list box. I'll add basket option. That is added, and also you can delete. I'll delete this back and basket. I'll put it top and see this. Also you can short item. Now select colors and see this. Our list box now fully modified. And finally save this file option. Save or save as fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.